I also have consumption of the second year clones. Because they are cooked for the first time, there's still a lot in them. From beautiful cooking and fries quality to less beautiful. And from grey discolorated white fleshy to very dark yellow. After the blue shaking, there are also many setbacks. Fortunately, there are also strong ones. After these trials, I've taken out the bad ones. Here as an example, one of the better standard varieties in between. And here's a promising clone. Ultimately, about 10% of the origin number will go to the third year. That is 1% of the first year clones from a year earlier. And some in the rematch. As seen here, breeding is a lot to throw away. Thanks for watching.